When it comes to studying the periodic table, colors and animations make this lesson much easier and enjoyable. First, let's start with some definitions. Zn is the symbol for the element zinc. This blue box is how you see the element in the periodic table. But what does each symbol or number mean in this box? Let's start first by Zn. Zn is what we call the symbol for the element. Zn is the symbol of zinc. Zinc is the name of the element. On the top left, you see number 65. This is the atomic mass of zinc. On the lower left, you see the number 30. This is the atomic number of zinc. We know that elements in the periodic table are arranged in groups and periods. Let's recall, what is a group? A group is the vertical column and it contains elements with similar properties. Remember this for the rest of the lesson. As for periods, they are the horizontal rows. They are called periods and they contain elements displaying a gradual change in properties. So groups are vertical while periods are horizontal. In the periodic table, metals and non-metals are separated. We will see later a bold red line. It's like a stair, and this stair divides metals on the left from non-metals on the right of the periodic table. This is the periodic table. The groups are vertical and periods are horizontal. This is the stair that we talked about earlier. It separates metals to the left from non-metals to the right of the periodic table. Group number 1 are in green and they are called the alkali metals. Notice that hydrogen is not colored green, it's colored in white because it is a non-metal, it's not a metal. Group 2 are called the alkaline earth metals. In blue are the transition metals. The transition metals separate group number 2 from group number 3. And then we have group number 4, group number 5, 6, 7. Group number 7 are called the halogens. They have similar properties. And group 0 are actually the noble gases. For example, helium, neon, and argon. Noble gases are inert gases and they are chemically stable. Notice how each atom has the symbol in the middle. For example, look at Na. The symbol for sodium is Na. It has an atomic number of 11 and an atomic mass of 23. The most important thing to remember is the names of the groups in the periodic table, and the elements in each group have similar properties. Elements that are arranged on the same horizontal row belong to the same period. For example, hydrogen and helium belong to period number 1. Lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, and neon all belong to period number 2.